In this question, you have to identify the option that does not represent a step in multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. Option A: fertilized eggs are transferred to surrogate mothers at 8 to 32 cell stage. Now, it is a correct step in this process. After fertilization, the developing embryos in the 8 to 32 cell stage are transferred to surrogate mothers for further development. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B: cow is administered hormone having LH-like activity for super ovulation. Now, in this process, the cow is administered follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH, and not LH-like activity. And this FSH is used to stimulate the development of multiple follicles, that is super ovulation, so that multiple eggs can be harvested. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C: cows yield about 6 to 8 eggs at a time. Now, this is also correct. Due to superevolution induced by FSH, a cow can yield 6 to 8 eggs in one cycle. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D: cow is fertilized by artificial insemination. Now, this is also a correct step. After superovulation, the cow is fertilized through artificial insemination with the selected superior bull semen to ensure higher quality of embryos. Hence, it is also an